What is up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a little sneak peek at a new product Merit is launching on August 22nd. It is the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. I am so excited to show this to you guys. I am trying it out on my skin for you guys today and letting you see the beautiful results that it has created and that will create for you when you are using it under your makeup, whether you're using it under your makeup or as your moisturizer without any makeup on. It is just so beautiful on your skin. So don't forget, when you shop Merit Beauty, your first order, you will receive your signature Merit handbag, and it is absolutely adorable, perfect for traveling and storing your makeup. So a little bit about the product before we get into trying it out and creating this easy, quick, simple, everyday makeup, no makeup look with all Merit products. The Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. So Merit Beauty is introducing Great Skin Moisturizer, a lightweight cream that instantly blurs and preps skin for makeup while helping to provide time-release hydration for perfected skin all day. And that is what you are going to get. I will have my code in the description box if you guys would like to shop any of the Merit products. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look and the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer, then just keep watching. Okay, we have a lot of info on the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. So this one is going to be launching on the 22nd of August. So very, very soon you'll be able to try it out for yourselves. So it says you have great skin. A lightweight cream that instantly blurs and preps skin for makeup while helping to provide time-released hydration for perfected skin all day. Designed to be used after Great Skin Serum and before sunscreen and the Minimalist. So let's see about Great Skin Complex, a proprietary trio that works to support the appearance of skin elasticity, firmness, and tone. So low molecular weight peptides provide rich all-day moisture with an instant plumping effect for the skin that appears more elastic and supple. Perfect. Like, that is what I want. The spermidine, a naturally occurring polyamine that helps support the skin's moisture barrier for firm, hydrated skin. Barrier polyacrylates, I don't know, I'm saying that wrong. A biometric carbohydrate that helps to improve the appearance of skin tone and firmness. So this is great. We have a primer that is also skincare, so it is great for the skin. It is going to give our skin more hydration. It is going to make our skin look firmer, and then it is going to prep our skin for the makeup, but all day long we're getting these great benefits from the skin. So oat extracts and glycerine to help smooth and moisturize skin, hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, biometric emulsifier for a blurred cashmere-like finish, pH balance for healthy skin barriers. So this sounds absolutely beautiful. I have only tried it out on my hand, and the skin on my hand just feels so smooth and silky and soft. So I can't wait to try this. I'm going in with like a pea-sized amount on the skin. This feels so rich and hydrating. I need this right now. My skin is like so dry from the summer. Getting a little bit of extra sun always gives your skin that appearance. So this is nice. It doesn't have a scent. And it's going on so smooth and creamy. And it just gives you that instant look of firmer skin and brighter skin. With my perfecting stick, I have it in the shade Ecru, and we're just going to give some brightness and some coverage in the places that we just need a little bit of extra coverage and smoothing out. Let's see how this blends out on the skin. Adding a little extra in the inner corners. I like to kind of blend this out with my fingers and with a brush. It is creamier and thicker, so using your fingers sometimes just helps really push the product into the skin and blend it out. Absolute favorite, the Merit Bronzing Balm. I have this in the shade Cyan, and this is a lightweight bronzer. It's a sheer bronzer that you can just keep building up and just looks beautiful on the skin, just melts on the skin so nicely. And I love pairing this with my contours. It's got a nice warm color to it, so it really balances nicely when you have a cool contour and then this on top. But if you just want to go for a minimal look and just a sun-kissed look, it's great just to put it all over your cheeks and all over the places the sun would hit you. Another one of my favorites is the Flush Balm, the sheer tinted blush that just goes on so creamy, so dewy, and is buildable as well. I have it in the shade Beverly Hills. This is a nice peachy rosy tone that gives you that sun-kissed flush on the skin, and again pairs so beautifully with the bronzer, and you could just keep building this baby up as much as you want. I love it. And it just gives such a nice dewy look. It's not one that is going to dry down and look like a powdered blush. Like, you're gonna look nice and dewy all day. We could add a little color to the lid with the Solo Shadow. I have this in the shade Vaqueta, so this is a creamier product that is going to dry down more like a powder. You could go in with your hand or you could use a brush. I like to do both. If I'm just doing just the shade on the lid, I'll just go in with my finger and there, just a little bit of warmth on the lid to kind of pull the look together. Lips, I'm just gonna go in with that Flush Balm again and do a monochromatic look. This looks really beautiful on the lips, so I'm going to apply that as well as the lip shade. I want to keep this a really natural look, so I just curl my lashes. I'm not going to put on any mascara, but the primer, the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer, beautiful on the skin. My skin looks more youthful, feels hydrated, pairs really beautiful with the products. This looks like my skin, but better. I am loving it, you guys. I will have a link for all the Merit products down in my description box if you guys would like to shop them for yourself. With Merit, you get their adorable little signature bag for your makeup, so definitely check this one out. I think you will love it as a primer and a moisturizer and a skincare, like all of the things. Love it, love it, love it. All right, thank you so much to Merit Beauty for having me a part of this launch of their new product. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again in my next video.